In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Bluehost. Let's dive into the process and make sure you have everything set up smoothly so you can streamline your email communication with ease. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. This is your launching pad for making adjustments and setting up new features on your domain. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to enter your account securely. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that provides you access to all the different tools and settings available through Bluehost. Next, navigate your way to the hosting section. This is where the majority of domain-related configurations take place. Look for the cPanel email option under Quick Links. cPanel is the control panel you'll be using to handle your email settings. Click on it to move forward with setting up your group email. Once you've accessed cPanel email, you'll need to click on Forwarders. This is the tool you'll be using to create your group email functionality. It works by forwarding incoming emails from one address to multiple recipients. After clicking Forwarders, go ahead and click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to add a new forwarder. Click on the Add Forwarder button to begin setting it up. Here is where you'll enter the specific details for your group email configuration. First, you'll need to input the source email. This is the email address where all initial emails will be sent. An example could be team@yourdomain.com. Choose something intuitive that relates to the group of people who will be receiving these correspondences. Once you've got the source email specified, you can now enter the destination email addresses. These are the individuals who will receive the forwarded emails from your source email address. It's important to note that cPanel forwarders are set up on a one-to-one basis. This means you'll need to repeat this process individually for each recipient you want to include in the group email. Be sure to double-check each address to avoid any delivery mishaps. Repeat entering the destination email address until everyone who should be part of the group email is included as a forwarder. Once all the desired addresses are correctly listed, your group email setup will be effective, ensuring emails sent to your source address are distributed to everyone included. That's all there is to it regarding setting up a group email in Bluehost. With these steps, you now have an efficient way to manage group communication directly from your domain. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and straightforward. Feel free to watch again if you need a refresher. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy your newfound email efficiency.